A very good morning, class 9. Today we'll be discussing about some questions from exercise 16.3 onwards and question number 25 onwards. I'm sorry for that. And in this chapter, in this topic, we'll be learning about how to find the area of a triangle and a square and a circular figure together, and also find the shaded part when all these three figures are being included. Right now, I have a question where there is no figure drawn over here. So what I'll be doing, I'll be making a figure first, and then I'll start solving this question. So question number 25, it goes something like this. A circular field has a perimeter 660 meter. So if I draw a circular field, something like this, its perimeter means circumference is 660 meter given to me. A plot in the shape of a square having its vertices on the circumference is marked on the field. Calculate the area of the square. So there is a square being made over here like this, something like that, like this. And you know very well that all the sides of the squares are same. If this is A, this is A, this is A. And the diagonal of the square goes from the center of the circle. That's for sure. And this is also called the diameter of the circle. Now, let's start solving this question. They have given me circumference, so whatever they have given me, I'll work on that. So circumference is equals to 660, and if I put the formula for circumference, it's 2 pi r equals to 660 meter, isn't it? Then 2 pi r means r is going to stay alone over here, and 660 2 pi is going to go over here, and then 662 into 22, and on the top goes 7 reciprocal, and this can be divided by 11. 11 twos are 11, 11 6 are and 60. This can be gone by 30 and then 15. So 15 sevens are r. I got 105 centimeter. So what is r? R means from here to here it's 105 centimeter. But I need the diameter. I need the diameter. Diameter is going to be what? 105 into 2. That's going to be 210 centimeter, isn't it? So this is going to be 210 centimeter, the whole diameter. But I have to find the area of the square field. Area of the square field. So I need sides for that. So if I have this is A, this is A. So A ka square plus A ka square and A, B, C, D equals to AC ka whole square, because using Pythagoras theorem, you all know that. So 2A square equals to AC ka square, and square goes on that side and it becomes square root, and A can come out. So what is the value of AC? AC ki value is 2 root 2A, and this is also AC ki value. 210 is also AC ki value, if you have a look, because this is the diameter. So I have two AC ki value, so I'll be putting them together. AC equals to AC, this is 210 equals to root 2A. So I'll be able to find A. So 210 upon root 2 equals to A. So this is my one side. And how to find the area? If you know how to find the area, if you have got this and this, you can just multiply, you will get the area. If 210 area is equals to 210 upon root 2 into 210 upon root 2. So this root 2 is going to become 2, and 210 and 210 can be multiplied, and what are you going to get? This is what you're going to get, and you can divide this by 2 and you will get 21. 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5 2205 centimeter square. So that's how you find the area of the square. I hope you guys are getting this. Okay, let's move to the other question. Question number 29 goes something like this, that there's a flower bed, and I have to find the area of this flower bed. This is a square, it has 56 centimeter, this is 56 centimeter, and this a flower bed like that, like this as well. Okay, and these are the two diagonals given of this square. Now I have to find the area of this. The only thing that is given that this is a square, ABCD is a square, and these are the diagonals and this length is given. Okay, and always remember, whenever the square is drawn, the diagonal goes through the center of the circle. Just keep that in mind. Okay. So the very first thing that I have to find the area of the whole figure. So how to find the area of the whole figure? First I'll find the area of ABCD, that is a square, and 56 into 56 centimeter, that is going to be my 56 and 56, 3136 centimeter square. Okay, now after this I'll find the area of each segment. This segment I'll find, but I need the radius. So how to find the radius? Let's say this is A, this is A. So A square plus A square is equals to AC square. So 2A square is equals to AC square, and square goes on that side. So root 2A is equals to AC. I hope everyone agrees with me. But if I solve this out, okay, and if I bring my answer, then also I'm going to get an answer for AC as well. Okay, let's have a look what we can do after this. So if you guys see over here, I found out the area of the square, finding the area of the square. After this, I took this as A, this was A, this was A. I got the value, okay. AC is equals to 56 root 2, and then I got the radius, क्योंकि AC पूरा diagonal है, तो अगर मैं diagonal की length लिखनी है मुझे, then I can write 56 root 2. But if I have to find the area, length of radius, so I have to divide by 2. That's going to be 28 root 2. Now I have to find the each segment. This part I have to find. This part. Can you see this part I have to find? How to find this part? ये पूरा part लूँगा मैं, this whole part, and I'll subtract the triangle from that. अगर ये पूरे part में से मैं triangle subtract करूँगा, what is left? This is left. So what I have written? Area of each segment. Yes. Okay. Each segment. This part, blue वाला part, 1/4 into pi r square. That is this. ये पूरा सेक्टर में से मैंने क्या माइनस कर दिया? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल AOB माइनस कर दिया. ओके, सो आई केप्ट द वैल्यू. You guys can have a look. I kept the value, and after putting the value, I got the 448 centimeter square. So this is इसका एरिया 448 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है, तो इसका भी एरिया 448 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर होगा. और ये पूरे स्क्वायर का एरिया आई ऑलरेडी नो, दिस वाज 56 into 56, 3136. So how to find the total area? 3136, 448 plus 448 centimeter square, you'll get the total area. Okay, that's how you figure out the total area of the given figure. So in question number 31, if you guys see, this is the figure given, and in this figure they have given the length of the side of the square. So that is 14 centimeter they have given, 14 centimeter. Okay, it means side square की कितनी है? 14 centimeter. So whenever this type of question comes to you guys with regarding square and circle, you guys can do one thing, that first you guys can figure out what is the square की side, and the other thing radius if there's a circle involved. So side का square is equals to 14, side square की side 14 centimeter. But then if you guys have a very close look from in this figure, you'll be able to notice that radius is half of this whole. ये इसके सेंटर से इसके सेंटर तक 14 है, तो इसके यहाँ तक कितना होगा? 7 सेंटीमीटर. सो रेडियस एक सर्कल का कितना है? 7 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो दैट आर द टू थिंग्स दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर. एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर is equals to 14 into 14, that is going to be 196 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? अब हम ढूंढेंगे एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, स्मॉल सेक्टर. स्मॉल सेक्टर मतलब आपने देखा दो सेक्टर होंगे, एक तो ये ग्रे कलर का, एक वाइट वाला. तो मैं इस वाले का एरिया ढूंढ रहा हूं अभी. ठीक है, वाइट वाले कलर का एरिया ढूंढ रहा हूं. इज दैट ओके? सो एरिया ऑफ ये वाइट वाले सेक्टर का कैसे ढूंढेंगे हम लोग? 1/4 इंटू पाई आर स्क्वायर, एंड 1/4 इंटू 22/7, एंड r you know what is radius, 7 into 7, and when you cancel them out, sorry, 1 7 is going to get cancelled, and you'll multiply the answer, the whole answer, whatever you get, you'll multiply by 4. Do you know why you'll multiply by 4? Because there are 4 sectors same like that. So this 4 and this 4 can be cancelled out, right? So what is going to be left with you? It's going to be 154 centimeter square. So area of this whole, this white figures or white sectors is 154. Now I'll find the area of bigger wala. So area of bigger sector. So whenever I am finding the area of the bigger sector, you know that 1/4 is covered by this and 3/4 is covered by that. So 3/4 into pi r square. Okay, and then 3 upon 4 into and you'll multiply this by 4 because there is only not one sector, one big sector. There are 4 big sectors. That's why I'm multiplying by 4. ठीक है, एंड 3 upon 4 क्यों लिखा मैंने? क्योंकि इसके जब मैं इसका निकाल रहा था तब मैंने 1 upon 4 लिखा था, तो 1 upon 4 में से बचा कितना? 3 upon 4. 22 upon 7 into what is r? 7 into 7 into 4. This and this can be cancelled out. This and this can be cancelled out. The remaining stuff can be multiplied. So when I multiply, I'm going to get, what am I going to get? Any idea? So when I multiply, I'll be getting 462 centimeter square. You guys can multiply 3 into 22 into 7. You'll get 462 centimeter square. Now I have to find the area of the shaded part. Now you guys think about it. If I add area of square plus area of bigger sector, तो मेरे पास पूरा आ जाएगा. But then if I subtract area of the smaller sector, स्मॉलर सेक्टर्स को हटा दूं मैं, पूरे उसमें से स्मॉलर सेक्टर्स को हटा दूं, सो ओनली एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पार्ट बचेगा. तो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर? इफ यू गाइस हैव अ लुक, व्हाट्स द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर? 196 प्लस एरिया ऑफ द बिगर सेक्टर इज 462 minus and then 154. Okay, and when you add them and subtract them, you'll get 504 centimeter square. So what is the area of the shaded part? 504 centimeter square. That's the area of the shaded part. Okay, so that's how you do questions. You slowly will grab it, but the most important thing that you need to understand is you'll be able to do any question out of this. First thing you need to do is figure out what's the side and then figure out what's the radius. Okay, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this video is a help for you guys. Have a good day, everyone.